Here's my Stihl 261. Just some simple modifications I've made to it. Removed the base gasket, muffler mod, advanced the timing about half of the key weight, and ground a little bit off the intake side on the bottom of the port there. There's a slight lip. Anyway, just to show you, it's got pretty quick response. Certainly comes to life quick when it's cold, much better than it did before. So first start on it. I don't want to run it too much. It's cold, but just so you can see the throttle response is there even when it is cold.